Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Jitendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and I am going to continue Dhyan Yoga chapter number 6 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I have already done with 30 verses of this chapter, and I am going to start 31st to 47 verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the rest of the verses of this chapter. Let's start. सर्वभूत स्थित यो मा भज त्यक्ते एकतम अस्तितः सर्वथा वर्तमानो अपि स योगी मही वर्तते. स योगी मही वर्तते. Here Krishna stated yogi mahi vartate. Here Vasudeva, Mukunda, Madhav, Murari stated such a yogi who engage in the worshipping service of Lord Krishna or the super soul, knowing that I and the super soul are one. Such a yogi who engage in the worshipping service of super soul, worshipping service of super soul, and that I, my soul and super soul both are one, both are same, and remains always in me in all the circumstances. The super soul, the supreme person is God, Lord Krishna, and my soul both are same. The yogi, once who come to know about these all things, that particular person, the particular yogi, always situated into me, in all the circumstances, whatever circumstances, situation come across, the particular person always situated in me. If he understood I, my soul, my particular soul, and the super soul, Lord Krishna, both are one, then always situated into me. Lord Krishna further stated, we need our self-consciousness. We have to understand who we are. We are not body, we are only soul. And Lord Krishna is situated, and our soul is part of super soul. And Lord Krishna is situated in the heart of each and every living entity as in the form of the soul. So soul and super soul both are same. And I am also Krishna, you are also Krishna. Each and every living entity is also Krishna, Lord Krishna. But here the lack of consciousness, here the lack of awareness, here the lack of self-realization, means how much you will get self-realization. Once you reach the peak of the self-realization, you will surely come to know you and Lord Krishna both are same. There is no difference between your soul and the super soul. Lord Krishna further stated, he is a perfect yogi who by comparison to his own self sees true equality of all human beings in both their happiness and distress. The yogi, this is the best quality of yogi. If you are self-realized, then you have to consider each and every living entity in your happiness and distress, equally in your happiness and distress, the equal treatment to each and every living entity in your happiness and distress, whether in your success or failure. You don't have to mistreat in your success. You don't have to mistreat in your success or your happiness, and you don't have to treat a very good manner in your distress in order to get a consolation from the people. Lord Krishna further stated here. Arjuna asked to Lord Krishna, Sri Arjuna uvacha yogam yogasvata prokta samena madhusudana itasyahya na pashyami chalana avratam sthiti sariram stitaram. Here Lord Krishna, here Arjuna asked to Lord Krishna, Madhusudan. Here Arjuna, here Lord Krishna is addressed as Madhusudan by Arjuna. The Sheshami of yoga which you have summarized appears impractical and unendurable to me, for for the mind is restless and unsteady. So here Arjuna asks, how to control my mind? Mind is unsteady and restless. Sometimes we can control cyclone and hurricane, but it's impossible to control our mind. This is what Arjuna asked to Lord Krishna. Chanchala hi manah. Here Arjuna stated Chanchal hi manah. Arjuna further added Chanchala hi manah Krishna pramadhi balam vruddham tasyah nigraha manye vayorapi suduskram. Sometimes it's very easy to control cyclone, but it's very difficult when we control. When we compare to control cyclone and our mind, it's very difficult to control our mind. Here Lord Krishna, here Arjuna asked to Lord Krishna, for the mind is very restless, turbulent and obstinate. Mind is very stubborn, obstinate and very strong. Oh Krishna, to subdue it, I think is more difficult than controlling the winds. It's more difficult. Sometimes very easy to control wind, but it's very difficult to control our mind. Here Arjuna asked to Lord Krishna, Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. Yeah, Lord Krishna Uvacha. Lord Krishna stated, Asansaya Mahabao Mano Dinuha Graha Chalam Abhyasena tu Konte Vairagyanam cha Gruhate. Abhyasana, by practicing of controlling of your senses, you can easily control your mind. Lord Krishna said, O mighty armed Arjuna, the son of Kunti, it's undoubtedly very difficult to curb the restless mind, very difficult to curb the restless mind, but it's possible by suitable practice and by detachment. It's possible to control your mind by detachment and by practices of yoga, suitable practices. Lord Krishna further stated, असंयत आत्मान योग दुष्पाप इति में मति ही वश्या आत्मान तु यतत्व शक्यो वापतम उपयते. Here Lord Krishna upyate. Here Lord Krishna stated, for one whose mind is unbridled, self-realized is difficult work, but those whose mind is controlled and who strive by the appropriate means is assured of success. That is my opinion. What is success? That person will surely get a success. The person who has controlled his mind and who strive by appropriate means is assured of success. Sri Arjuna here asks a further question. Ayati श्रद्धयोपते योगा चलितम मनसः. योगा चलितम मनसः. चलितम मन चलित है. अप्राव्य योग संसिद्ध आत्मान का गति कृष्ण गच्छति. का गति कृष्ण गच्छति. Here Lord Krishna, here Arjuna asked to Lord Krishna, O Krishna, Vasudev, Madhusudan, Mukunda, what is the destination of unsuccessful transcendentalist who is in the beginning takes in the process of the self-realization with a faith but later desist due to the worldly mindless, and thus who doesn't attain the perfection in the mysticism. What kind of the destination of the particular person who are unsuccessful in yoga or in the mysticism? Here Lord Krishna further stated, here Arjuna further asks, Kashine no bhavya vibhastitah chinabraham ivam nasyati apratishtaho mahabaho vimudhe brahma pathi. O mighty armed Arjuna, doesn't such a man who bewildered from the path of transcendences fall away from the both spiritual and material success and perish like a riven cloud and no position in the any sphere? The particular person, the soul of the particular person will move here and there. There is no space. There is no position in any sphere of the particular soul. Here Arjuna asks, इतम मने संशय कृष्ण छेदुतम शेषते त्वदन्त्य संशय आत्मान छेदतनु उपधते. Here, this is my doubt, O Krishna. I ask you to dissipate it completely, but for you one is to be found who can destroy his doubt, one who can be found to you. That particular person destroys all the doubts. This is stated by Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna here answer to Arjuna, Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Parthanevam na mrutah vinasashyate videhate nahi kala kalyanam krutah drigati tata gasyate. Here the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna stated, O son of Pruthaputra, the transcendentalist engaged in auspicious activities does not meet with the destruction either in this world nor in the spiritual world. The particular person, transcendentalist, this all doesn't meet with the destruction in this world, in this world as well as in spiritual world. One who does good, my friend, is never overcome by evil. One who does a good will never overcome by evil. The particular person who is evil will never overcome by good things. So the particular person who does a good will never overcome by evil things. This is stated by Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna further stated, Prapya punya krutah lokanusritata satati samah srasyati shramah sruvina srimate greha yoga vrashtah bijayate. Yoga vrashta bijayate. Yoga Brashta Bijayate. Unsuccessful yogi, after many births of enjoyment on the planet of the pious living entity, is born into the family of the righteous people or in the family of rich aristocracy, the particular yogi will definitely take a birth in aristocracy family, by which the particular person perform his prescribed duty, the particular person complete his yoga sadhana. Lord Krishna further stated, अथवा योगी नामेव कुले भवति धीमताम इत्यति दुर्लभतर लोके जन्म यदि दशम. Here unsuccessful yogi, after long practice of yoga, he takes his birth in the family of transcendentalists who are surely great in the wisdom. Who are surely great in the wisdom. Certainly such a birth is very rare in this particular world. तत्र हि बुद्धि संयोग लभते प्रोहदैहिकम एतते च ततो भूहि संचित कुरु नंदन. Here on the taking such a birth, he revives the divine consciousness of his previous life. He again tries to make further progress in order to achieve the complete success of son of Kuru. पूर्वाभ्यस्य तेन हिव हाव्र सोषमी सह जिज्ञासु सुरूपी योग शब्दम ब्रह्मा विधि वर्तते. By the virtue of divine consciousness of his previous life, by the virtue of the divine consciousness of his previous life, he automatically become attracted to yogic principle, automatically become attracted to the yogic principle, and even without seeking them, such an inquisitive transcendentalist stands always above the ritualistic principle of the spiritual sculpture. Lord Krishna further stated, and when the yogi engages himself with a sincere endeavor in the making further progress, being washed of all the contamination, them ultimately achieving the perfection. After many births of practice, he attains the supreme goal. That particular person will attain the supreme goal. Tapasvi yogi ज्ञानी दो मतोह अधिकः कर्म भियसी च अधिको योगी तस्माद योगी भवार्जुनः. Here yogi is better than ascetics. And greater than empiricists and also greater than prithvi workers. Therefore Arjuna, circumstances to be yogi, you have to be yogi, karma yogi. Here Lord Krishna further said, yogina api sarvesa modetena atmatma shraddha bhava bhajate yo ma sa yuktatma matah. And all of yogi, one with a great faith, who always abide in me, thinks me with himself and render transcendental loving service to me. He is most intimately united with me in yoga and is the highest of the all. That is my opinion. This is stated by Lord Krishna. What kind of person is in the highest place of yoga? The person who has a great faith and always abide in me, and thinks of me within himself and render transcendental loving service to me, is almost intimately united with me in yoga and highest among the all. That person is highest among the all. Lord Krishna further stated, सर्व धर्मान परित्यजन्ते मामे एकम शरणम वज्रः अहम तम सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुल्. सभी धर्मों का त्याग करके मेरी शरण में आ जाओ. पार्थ, abandon your all religious practices and just surrender unto me. I said deliver you salvation, make you free from your all kinds of sinful activities. So you have to surrender unto me. This is stated by Lord Krishna in order to obtain the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. So I have completed the Dhyan Yoga chapter number 6. If you are having any question, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.